we're back and we're continuing to learn our teen numbers. Remember, our teen numbers are the numbers that come after the number 10. Today's focus is going to be the number 13. 13. This is how you draw, or write, 13. You have a 1 and a 3 next to it. 13. All right, so as we've learned our last couple of numbers, we've learned about the number 11 and the number 12. We know that these numbers come after 10 because what are our teen numbers? They're 10 and then some more. 11 is 10 and one more. 12 is 10 and then two more. So what do you think 13 will be? Yeah, it's 10 and 3 more. So let's see if we can find this 13 on our number line down here. All right, we know it has to be after the number 10 because we know it's 10 and then some more. So we have our number 10. If you can remember, our number 11 is a 1 and a 1 next to one another. Number 12 and then number 13. 13 looks like this one up here. 1 and a 3. So here's our 13 on our number line. 13 is 10 and then 3 more. So we have 10 and then we have 1, 2, 3. That makes 13. Let's practice counting on our number line to 13. So we're going to come back here to the number 0 and start here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. 13 is 10 and then 3 more. Let me pull up my 13 poster. So let's look at the different ways we can represent the number 13. So we have our big 13 right here. We have a big number 1 and we have our big number 3. So that is one way to represent the number 13 as the number. And then we have these counting fingers up here. Oh, I kind of went over that one. Sorry. These counting fingers. We know that 2 hands together is 10. We know this is 10. And how much more is 13 than 10? 3. So they have 3 more fingers up. So they have 10 and then 3 more. So 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. This is one way to represent the number 13. Here's another way with our counting cubes. Our cubes. All right, so remember, we have talked about this big set is going to be 10. Let's count them to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 cubes. So how many more is 13 than 10? 3. That's why they have 3 cubes. 1, 2, 3. So they have 10 and then some more. How much more? 3. That makes the number 13. 13. Okay, they've added dice. All right. So I think we've used these a few times in our lessons where we've talked about the rolling of dice. So when we use dice as counting tools, you roll them and then whatever side is up, facing up, is the side that you count. So this one right here has how many? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 on this dice, and this one's the same as that one, so no, I know that's 5. And remember, if you have 5 fingers on one side and 5 fingers on the other side, you know that's 10. So if I had 5 right here and 5 right here, that makes 10 too. So if we're trying to represent the number 13, how many more dots on the dice should we have? 3. That's right, 3. We need 3 more dots. 1, 2, 3. So this is a way to represent the number 13 with dice. We have 5, 5, and 3. All right, and we have our tally marks here. Remember, to do a tally mark, you do, just in case you can't see that very well, you do 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. The 5, the fifth one, goes across. So we have one group of 5, another group of 5, and when we have 5 and 5, that makes 10. Remember, all your fingers make 10 fingers. So one hand has 5, and the other hand has 5, and if you have 5 and 5, that makes 10. So we know these tally marks, if we have 5 tally marks and 5 tally marks, that's going to make 10. 10. So how much more is 13 than 10? 3 more. So then they have put in their other 3 tally marks. 1, 2, 3. So that makes 13 tally marks. All right, here's our tens frame. We have 10 in the first tens frame. Remember, there are 10 boxes. So if they're all filled, then they will have, that will mean that there are 10 counters. 10, and then how much more do we need to make 13? 3. That's why they have 3 counters. 1, 2, 3. 3 counters in this tens frame, and that makes our number 13. And then we have our dominoes down here. So remember, for the dominoes, you count these the dots on the dominoes. So this side has 5. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 on this side. And if we're going to count on, we're going to start from 5. So we had 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. So this is a way to represent 13 with dominoes. And then lastly, we have our 13, the written number word of 13. Okay, so remember, when we are talking about our teen numbers, today we're talking about 13. Remember, our teen numbers are 10 and then some more. How much more? Well, it depends on what number you're working with. Today is the number 13. So we have 10 and then 3 more. That makes the number 13. Thanks for joining me today. Bye.